Right, this is one of the carbs off the Dnepr. I'm just going to clean them out, ultrasonically clean them first. Take the screws out one at a time, film them so I know which way they go back. If they damage, I'll replace them. You can see all the deposits. Pretty bad looking really. Don't think it's been serviced for donkey's years this. Look at the carbon inside there. Build up. That's all stopping the flow of fuel. There's the float. Looks okay, but we'll see. If we have to replace the carbs, I will do. I would like to take this apart, but it's got little clips inside it. I know I would do if I have to replace the cables, but look at the crap in there. So I'll do one carb at a time, clean it up. Put the video on YouTube, but if you click on the picture on the website, it'll just take you straight there. There's the other one waiting to be done. And there's the throttle, and that's full of crap. I don't even think that's working proper anymore. That's just, I don't know if you can see at the bottom there, right down there, it's starting to break up. It shouldn't be like that. So this is going to be replaced. Not wrong with the grip and the mechanism, but I think all that inside there is shot. And there's no point being out on the road and it doesn't work, so anyway. But first things first, I'm going to do this carb. When it's all cleaned up, put another video on, showing what it's like, pictures vapor blasted. So, thanks for watching, see you later.